And I'm gonna start to put those fake blood drips. We're gonna go straight down into it. Now I have my syringe, which is the fun part. So we're gonna take this off. And now we are just going to add pomegranates right into your syringe. Say you want an easy way to take all of your juice out of your pomegranate seeds. Now I'm gonna take my blood bag and I'm going to attach my syringe to my blood bag, and then watch the magic happen. You're gonna put a lot of pressure and watch that bag fill up with your pomegranate juice. So cool. Okay, so now we're gonna detach this and we're going to take a little lock here. You can close it off so it doesn't come out. Okay, so now we're gonna take our vodka. We're gonna go right into our shaker. We're gonna take some cranberry juice, go right into our shaker as well. And then we're gonna add a few cubes of ice. I'm gonna close this. We're gonna give this a shake and pour it right into our glass. If you notice, I did not put that much cranberry because we are going to have our lovely additions of our pomegranate juice. I'm gonna put my drinks here to chill while we move to our cake. So I have buttercream here on my pre-made cakes. Now we're just gonna take our spatula and spread this out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take my first layer of cake, go on my cake plate, and then I have a frozen oval of raspberry. I'm just gonna set that right on top of that. Then you want to go right back in and you wanna make sure you fill all of the inside and the outside with buttercream. So now we're gonna go ahead and take our second layer, and then you're gonna come over and grab your second piece of raspberries. And then we're going to fill in with our cream. Then we're gonna go ahead, turn over our last piece, place this right on top. It's gonna be a pretty high cake. And then we're gonna go in and just fill all of this in with our buttercream. So you can cover that whole cake. And then we're gonna take an offset spatula and we're just gonna go right around the sides. We're gonna take a knife and you're gonna start to cut where you want your mouth to be. And then I'm gonna just cut that mouth right out of there. So now we're just gonna go ahead and take more cream to cover that cake that we took away. And then now I have some raspberry compote here that I've made. Got it nice and thick. And then we have some almonds that have been peeled. And this is gonna be our teeth. And you just want that pointy side up. Make sure you pick some super sharp pointy ones. And then I'm gonna take some of my coulis that I've just thinned down, and I'm gonna start to put those fake blood drips. And we are just going to refrigerate this until we finish with the rest of our things. So here we have some Werther's caramels. We're just gonna pour some warm water over them to get them nice and soft. And you just want to take that wrapper off. Now what the water should have done was gotten these slightly so you can manipulate them. So you have a nice long strand of caramel. You're gonna start to wrap this right around your date, making wonderful little lines. You can roll it right around that date. And then we're gonna move right over to our chocolate that we have. And this is how we're going to create the antennas of the cockroach and the legs. You wanna make it thick enough so it does not break when you pick it up. And then you're gonna fill in some of that chocolate so it can hold your date. Then we will release our date from our skewer and stick that date. So we have our cockroaches here. Just gonna stick it right on there, it should stay.